Guys, this is Samantha and this is my daughter Bria, and we're going to show you how we plant tomatoes. The first thing you do is you need to look at your tomato plant and see about what size it is. Mine aren't really big yet, they're still pretty small, but I need to dig my hole according to the size of my tomato plant. I want to bury all but the top of the leaves coming out. And if you're planting several plants like I am, you would want to space your plants about 4 to 5 feet apart for optimum growing conditions. They need to breathe, but they don't need to be too far apart because tomatoes actually help keep each other from drying out by providing moisture for each other. It stays humid in between the plants. Okay, so that's about a good sized hole for this size plant that we have. Now, I feed my tomatoes to start a mixture of different things. I have compost, aged compost. It also has chicken manure and chicken litter, cow manure, coffee grounds, eggshells, and really if you have banana peels, oranges, anything like that, you can add anything that you've got. Fish scraps, bones, all of that kind of stuff is really good. I'll just give it a quick little mix here. And you always want to mix in some of the dirt that's going to be surrounding your plant. It just helps the roots get used to the dirt that they're going to have. Okay, I'm also going to add a quarter cup, or eighth of a cup Epsom salt. We'll let Bria, our helper, do it. And then we also add an eighth of a cup of bone meal, just to give our plant a really good, strong start. Okay, so we'll just kind of mix this in. Bria, why don't you get the shovel, the trowel, and we'll... And then we'll make a hole in the center for our tomato. Now, if you're wondering how to get your plants out of their cups, I have styrofoam cups. A lot of you probably would have either black plastic or whatever came from the store if you've bought these at the store. I just kind of squeeze around to loosen the edges. I put the plant in between two fingers to secure the stem, and then just give it a little tap, and then out comes your plant. Now you want to be very careful with the roots. You don't want to disturb them too much if you don't have to. And then we're going to put it in, and we're going to cover it up. And now you see I've covered it pretty much all the way except for these leaves at the top. And now if I had had a bigger plant, I actually could break off some of the bottom leaves and plant even up almost all the way. So our last step is to water, and then we'll be done. I also usually will do some companion planting. I like to plant certain flowers and herbs around my tomatoes to help protect them from different pests like bugs and even birds. I'll plant basil, nasturtium, that's a flower, and marigold flowers all around my tomato plants to help ward off those pests. And the tomatoes actually help protect those plants from the sun so that they can provide you with all that you would need from them. Thank you for joining us for this video. I will be doing a few more videos on some other plants, probably like squash and zucchini, and I'm also gonna show you guys how we do the Five Sisters gardening with corn, beans, and squash, pumpkins, and melons. All right, well, y'all have a good day. Thanks. Bye.